Kwan mag joma osewito ngimagi bang' masira mar apaya manyotimore koru Muhoroni ochopo 5 bang' achiel kuom jotuo 4 manyochwal e kar thieth ma Ramogi Odinga Teaching and Referral Hospital wito ngimane. Ji 3 mamoko to pod dhi nyime gi yudo thieth e osiptandno. Ji mamoko 8 bende dhi nyime gi yudo thieth e osiptal ma St. Vincent Mission Hospital mani Muhoroni. E masirano manyotimore otieno manyoro, ji mamoko 15 bende nyoyudo hinyruok kendo nyothiedhi magidhi nyaka pacho.
Yeah, last night there was a very serious traffic accident near Muhoroni where we received at around 11 o'clock 4 patients who were severely injured. They had fractures of the lower limbs, fractures of the upper limbs, and in fact we had one who had a traumatic hand amputation. It's unfortunate that one of those involved in the road accident, passed away while undergoing treatment.
One lady who had what's called traumatic amputation is currently in theater, is undergoing surgical debridement as we speak. The remaining 2 that actually have some fractures, they have been attended to by the orthopedic team, and as the CEO has said, all that I've done is to ensure that the patient safety is held, and the patient actually currently are recuperating well and they're in good condition.
Governor Migori Ochila Yako singo chopo